All right, guys, 1992 Chevy S10 4.3 liter V6. What we got done on this beast, as you guys can see there and there, it's stock manifolds. We put a high flow converter. There'll be a link in the description. 3-inch pipe into a FLOWMASTER Super 10, out the side with another 3-inch pipe into an angle cut tip right there, 4-inch. Look at that, came out really nice, really clean. There she is. There's the FLOWMASTER Super 10. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Center, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There's the whole setup. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. There's the stock muffler that was on it. There's the intermediate pipe and the tailpipe that was on it right there. That's what it looks like after. Clean, nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Chevy S10. Extended cab, long bed. It was his grandfather's, and now it is his. Brody, do you approve? Oh, it sounds good. He likes it. Go ahead. That sounds speed. Look at lift up now. I don't know if the camera gives you get you guys sound decibels. Go ahead. One oh four. That's crazy looking too. I like how you did that. That's cool. Yeah. What do you guys think of this beautiful truck? Old but gold. That's why we did the 3-inch to deepen the tone. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy S10. Old. Look at it. Look at them lights. The Toyota Supra. Oh, that sounds good. Yeah.